What's going on, YouTube? Here we come again with you with another video on health tips for your chicken. Bastonera Plus. That's that liquid wormer that I was telling you about. Bastonera Plus. It works good. My birds are healthy off of it, which I also use ivermectin. I was recording earlier, but it messed up. I already gave these pretty guys. Today is February the 17th. February the 17th, which I'm behind on worming, but I gotta give it to them. I can't wait any longer. The reason why I was waiting, winter months, the water freezes and I have to change that water out. So give them fresh water because they gotta have water every day. And as you can see, these pretty boy and girl is waiting on it. They are thirsty. What I do is I try to touch the birds too much to stress them, especially during breeding season. So anything that's liquid to give them, I use it, because I try not to touch them as much to stress them out. Giving them all day warmer, so they'll be getting a warmer today, and hopefully I can give them that ivermectin. Like I say, I always try to use 2 different types. If I can find a third one that's good, you rotate it into it. But so far, I like the ivermectin and that Bastonera Plus. Whatever you can get it, use it. Something is better than nothing. You got to use something to give them to get rid of the worms. Man, these some pretty chickens here. These little hens, well, they're pullets. They are pretty. They're a darker color. These are Johnny Jumpers. If you ask me, I don't know, but they look like they are I don't think they're the out and out. I think they're a mixture of the out and out with the Cecil Davis. I could be wrong, but that's what it looks like to me. They're drinking that wormer up. So, and that stuff, it really works good, guys. I'm not trying to promote anything. I'm just telling you what works for me. So if you want to try it, and that's cool. If not, that's cool too. I'm just saying what I use for my birds, and this is what I use, and it works great. We'll keep videos coming showing you all the different type of stuff that we're doing here at the backyard breeding, what they call us. It's not really a farm because I don't have the space like I want. But for now, it's just regular old backyard breeding, however they want to call it. I enjoy it either way. But one day, I will have the land and property that I want, so I can spread them out. Right now, they're confined in cages. I keep adding wheat straw into it, especially during the winter months when it's wet and cold. That helps save their toes and stuff like that. Even when I do get the land I want, I'll still have them caged up because I don't want the 4-legged critters eating them up or the 2-legged critters taking them. We got a lot of work back here in this small area to do. We're gonna clear out all of this, and once we get all this cleared out, we're gonna clean all this here out through here. You can't probably see it because it's thick brushes and everything. But we're gonna clean all this out, and we're gonna move a lot of the cages back over here once we get it all cleaned out. Because where I got them at right now, there's a lot of water that stands there. Hopefully I can get this big cage here moved, and we'll move it back soon. Or we might move some of the other stuff around, the smaller cages, but we're gonna get the fence put up. We're gonna get it clean, and we're gonna get us a dog back here to try to help keep the four-legged and two-legged rodents out. I gotta hurry up and get this pretty girl here to breeding before my season is over with. We gotta get this cage done, which that'll be the next thing. But guys, I mean, you know, I'm just telling you what I use, that I worked. I'm showing it to you on the videos. There's some other stuff that I use just to flush the system also, which I already have done that, which I didn't share it with you guys. Sorry that I didn't share it with you, but it's coming up for some flushes once the breeding is over with and the hens are incubating the eggs. Once the babies are hatched, I'll show you how I flush their system. There's two methods I use. I use vinegar, and I use just a little, not much, but a little bleach in the water. I'll have to show you how I do it. That way you know, bleach won't hurt anything. I mean, heck, if you drinking water and you live in the city, you're drinking a little bleach, so it ain't gonna hurt you. It ain't gonna hurt your chickens because it's not hurting you. But I have to show you how I do it. If you want to try it, cool. If not, you know, that's on you. Like I say, I'm just showing you what I do for my birds. And these are the things that I do. But stay tuned for a few more videos here in the future. And as y'all can see, I mean, you know, my birds look really good. I'm sure it's on video. I'm showing you exactly what I give mine. So I'm not cutting no corners or leaving anything out. I'll show you exactly how I do it. And you can see the results from mine. They're real pretty. The feathers are real shiny. Let me know I got healthy birds. The eyes are red. Everything. So that's gonna be it for today, guys, and y'all take it easy. We'll catch you on the next one. Y'all have a good day.